It's time for deep driving again, and today's deep driving is about keeping ourselves safe and being courteous to other people. Now, we all know that there are people that are on their phones while they're driving. I'm on my phone right now, but I'm not looking at the screen, doing as safe as I can of a driving experience. There are people that run red lights, and there are people that get injured. So I have been taught, whenever I'm at a red light, once it turns green, I wait 3 to 5 seconds and then I go, because I don't know who's going to rip through the red light. And I'm sure you've seen the video of the person that waited and then the 3 people that didn't wait, and a semi truck ran a red light and destroyed the 3 cars in 1 second. So if you're making a choice, if your voice in your head is telling you, don't go, if the voice in your head that sabotages you is telling you, go as soon as it turns green, because somebody behind you is going to honk their horn and get upset, which then they honk their horn, they get upset, 5 seconds go by, nothing happens, who cares? Or you're keeping yourself safe so you can get back to your friends and your family and the things that are important to you in life. So that's my request of you. Choose, when you're sitting at a red light, when it turns green, wait 3 to 5 seconds. Expect somebody to honk at you. Who cares? And enjoy, be safe, and don't let your voice sabotage you about worrying about what the person behind you is thinking or how they're honking. Why is that so important? Why would you care about somebody in a car behind you and their opinion as opposed to keeping you safe and your family? All right, beating a dead horse on this point. I appreciate you guys all for listening. Share this if you want to keep your family safe. Appreciate it. Bye.